Hi, my name is Eljan A. Aguado and this is COE186P under section E01 and this is activity 3 entitled PHOTOSENSOR. So in this activity we're gonna need a photoresistor, 3 LEDs, connecting wires, the Arduino Uno, and of course the breadboard. So in this activity we're gonna do a photo sensor that will allow 3 LEDs to change to light up what uh, depending on the light the photo sensor receives. So let's start coding. So first we're gonna put int uh, we're gonna use blue LED LED pin for the highest possible light. So this will go to pin 2, sorry. And then in yellow yellow LED pin for the medium light. So this will go to the pin 3. And in red LED pin red LED pin was 4. So because it will go to the pin number 4 of the Arduino Uno. And we're gonna put in light sensor pin. So this is for the photoresistor. So this will go to the analog 0 pin. So and then int analog value for the value of for the light or darkness depending on the uh, surroundings of the photoresistor. So here in the void setup we're gonna put pin mode blue LED pin as the output 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 and pin mode yellow LED pin as also the output, and finally pin mode red, oh sorry, should be small letters, yellow red LED pin as also the output. There we go. And here in the void loop, so here we're gonna put the main code here. So first analog value is to equal to analog read of the light sensor pin. There we go. Next is if statement. If the analog value is greater than less than 200. So different photoresistor have different values here. So this may change depending on your photoresistor. So if the analog value is less than 200, the digital write is the red LED pin. Okay, red LED pin will be outputting a high value. So for the yellow, else if, because we have 3 statements, no, else if analog value is greater than or equal to 200 and analog value is less than or equal to 350. So this will have the digital right, yellow LED pin, output high. Here we go, yellow LED pin. So, and the last statement is else digital right is blue LED pin, output is high. So we're gonna put a delay whenever it will turn off, so it will not be an instant. So the microprocessor will have time to process it. Digital right for the blue LED pin is low, so it will turn off. Oh, sorry. And digital right, yellow LED pin low, and digital right blue red LED pin is low. So here we have finished the code. So let's check if this will have an error. So this will be activity 3. Oh, red LED pin. There, it's not capital. Digital right. Expected before. Oh, here. Sorry. So now we wait. If there are no errors, let's now upload this to our Arduino, and let's connect the hardware parts here. So first, the photoresistor will be connected to a resistor and then connected to the ground, and the photoresistor will be connected to the pin A0, and the other side of the photoresistor will be connected to the 5 volts, which is connected to the 5 volts of the Arduino Uno. So here we have 3 LEDs that's connected to the resistor, and the blue LED is connected to the pin 2, the yellow is connected to the pin 3, and the red one is connected to the pin 4, as we say in the code. So here we have the finished product. So you can see that the blue light is lighting because there are no blockage to the photoresistor, and when we have a slight blockage, the yellow light LED lights up, and then when we fully block it, when we fully block it, what's happening? So when we fully blocked it, the red LED lights up. So because of the connections, I'm sorry, wait. When we block the photoresistors all the way, the red LED lights. That's all for today. Thank you.